Alright guys, so here's another struggle. You're on YouTube and you get mad at things and you can't figure it out, and it's harder than you think. Might as well post one. So I got this Mercedes. It's an SUV, and the batteries underneath the passenger. This is the original battery, so it's never been changed. End up cutting like right here, these two ends, in order to just actually even, because before I only had these little hole. I was thinking, how are you gonna get that out? So I cut this thing out right here, so it allows you to disconnect the battery from there. I already took the negative out. I did use a power box, and that's connected on the front of the car, so that way I'm not losing the power supply for the electronics. You got to do that on these cars. But my issue is, look, you got handles on this thing, so that's why I'm making this video. You got handles on the battery. It's so heavy, you don't have much space. I don't even know if it fits to this freaking hole. More likely not. That's just nuts. Wow, I'm just looking right now, because this is about close to like 8 inches, and that's about what the battery is on height. You have to pull this thing out, which is two 13mm nuts. That was not easy to grab and to pull it out, because you don't have much space in there. It's like right here, you got probably about an inch. Maybe, let's see if I can push this thing. No, that's it. So I disconnected this air valve for the battery. But now, even though I'm lifting, you can't really grab the battery. This thing is just not enough. So I put this strap here, and I'm trying to stuck it underneath the battery and see if I can actually get a closer grab on the battery, so I can give it a different angle. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, this is the ML350. Just crazy, guys. Why would they do that? I mean, even trunk is annoying, but right here, I don't know. Yeah, that's my story, guys. We'll see what happens. Alright, after trying a whole bunch of times, yeah, there you go. Move right back down. So put that in there, and even though, yes, I can try and lift it a little higher, still, there's no way I can stick my hand in here to grab it. Got all these freaking sharp edges here, sharp edges on the battery, sharp edges here. It's just freaking annoying. There's no way to grab this battery to lift it up. What am I gonna do? Take the freaking seat out of the way? This is stupid. Okay, so because I still couldn't grab it, I ended up taking this ground cable and whatever the connector from the ground, battery ground, and gonna hook it up to this, and then see, that way I have something that I can actually hold on to the battery. Because yeah, you got those handles here, but they don't help. They're too far. I should have been here. Okay guys, so we got the battery finally. This is the one right here. Got it out. So I put it on the tester here, and it tells me that it's just a little bit 12 volts. You can see the yellow mark in here, just a little bit 12. And I got this other one. This is from my C220 Mercedes, so I was just gonna swap it to see, if that's fixing my problem. This one tests the same thing, so I don't get it. I mean, yeah, this battery looks like, man, spotless, but yet doesn't have the crank power. And I know it's the original because the carpet was not cut, so there's no way you could have removed that. Had a hard time removing this. Actually, what I did, I disconnected the 2 bolts from here and put this 2x4 underneath it just to give me, I needed at least another inch. I mean, the seat was stuck here. It wouldn't go any farther than this. Now, there's another battery there. You can see it, this right here. It's just a small electronic battery there for, you know, probably protection.
Do you need help with anything?
No, I'm good, thank you. That's just freaking crazy. Alright guys, so we're back over here. Replaced the battery, auxiliary. This small battery, it's a 12-volt battery. Replaced that. And now I'm gonna come outside here and use the previous battery, putting it to charge just to see what that will do or what condition that was. And that's the battery that's going in there. Super start. So let's see what happens.